a dog of habit, a dog of agonizing repetition. I cannot dissolve the terror humming in my throat, the possibility of you let loose in my body to develop a new set of eyes and hands, an unfamiliar child roaming. Who have you come to replace? Don't you understand? I fear every introduction of joy, each sweet thing held in front of my heart's mouth. Please, if you are there and mean no harm, knock 3 times and I promise to need you fervently. But if you intend to sway the gods, to encourage a hawk to drop a turtle shell upon my baby's dear skull, if one of my boys gets carried away by a stream of ants, my oldest daughter stomped down to skin milked by a flock of stones, I will carry you as my mother carried me, a defiant bride in a veil of snakes. That's so scary.